I clearly haven't done this in a long time. But, yeah, okay, so let's start recording now. It's a sync clap, I guess. Yeah, anyway, welcome back to my jank setup. It's jank because this was kind of last minute, and I decided to splurge on a GoPro Hero 10. So, hi! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Victor, and I do tech stuff here, I guess. And, yeah, I completely did not realize that David Does Tech Stuff was a channel before naming my channel, so that's fun. But yeah, besides that, welcome back to my channel. I have not uploaded a single video in such a long time. And mainly because of work and school. Yeah, I'm doing both work and school. I really don't know how anyone else does full-time with both. But anyway, regardless of that, here is the GoPro Hero 10 I got from Costco. I got this on sale for about $340, and at the time of filming this video, Costco also was starting to sell their GoPro Hero 11 bundle for $390. But here's the thing, it doesn't include the the double what should we call it, the double battery charging brick thing that costs like what, like $60 off Amazon. So if any case, getting this is worth it, but even then, let's face it, with sort of my production value of my YouTube channel and also sort of my budget as well, GoPro Hero 10 is completely fine. So we're gonna go ahead and go with it. I also got this on sale, as the, typical Asian thing to do, So there's that. This video is actually being recorded with my old GoPro Hero 5, and I think this is on 2.7K at 60 frames, I think. And basically, main reason why I got this was because, better video quality to begin with, and being able to shoot at 4K or maybe even 5.3K. I'm not doing 4K content yet. Basically using 4K so that way whenever I zoom in or crop in, I still get maximum detail for 1080p. So there's that. And by the way, this is not a review. I am not that detail oriented. I'm just trying it out and just filming the process. So that's sort of where I'm at right now. But with those disclaimers out of the way, let's go ahead and get started here. So yeah, this is pretty much the Costco GoPro Hero 10 bundle. Yep, like I said, it includes like a little dual battery dock charger thing, a 64 gig SD card. My GoPro Hero 5 currently has a 400 gig one that's better spec. I'm gonna go ahead and use that for the GoPro Hero 10 and then just use this one for my GoPro Hero 5. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this open. I'm surprised they didn't actually, just had a, regular quick tab design. I don't know why they didn't bother to do that, but okay. Anyway, as I was trying to get to earlier, so I'm not retiring my GoPro Hero 5. If anything, I'm going to just abuse the hell out of it even more now that I have this one, basically. So my goal for the Hero 5 is to basically use it on vacation on more unideal conditions, I guess. So let's say, under the ocean. Don't get me wrong, the GoPro Hero 10 will be completely fine under the ocean, but if something happens to the GoPro Hero 5, I'm not worried about it because I basically paid that investment really far down the road already. I didn't even have a job at that point. That's what I'm trying to get to. Honestly though, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is perfectly adequate enough. Once I'm done with this vacation, it's probably gonna just sit in storage anyway, unfortunately. Yeah, so this is the GoPro Hero 10. The body definitely looks and feels different. And that's where the battery chamber is. My goodness, they really made that battery chamber a lot bigger. Got two USB-C cables. You got, the usual clips and stuff. You got the two batteries. You got the, the included SD card. You got some manuals that we're not going to read because, frankly, I'm a tech enthusiast. But yeah, these are the batteries here, and I do have an old GoPro Hero 5 battery on me right now. If anything is charging on my messy desk. If you haven't noticed yet, I have ADHD, so there's that. And yeah, the battery is kind of smaller, but I'm assuming the battery chemistry is different because the battery capacity was significantly better on these, I'm assuming. But yeah, two batteries. Woo, there we go. Is basically where the batteries go. And then also, yeah, the battery just sticks up just a little bit, which I'm fine with. If anything, gives me a little bit of a better grip to actually hold the battery out. So, that's fine, and I'll be okay with that. yeah, let's get back to the start of the show here. The GoPro Hero 10 here. Oh, yeah, I'm excited with this. Basically, this is a full LCD display, if you've been living under a rock. Overall construction is fine. Obviously, the build is different, quality-wise and actual, like, design-wise. But, yeah, basically, you know, feels like a GoPro. Nothing to complain about here. I put in the battery. Let's see. There we go. The little red light turned on here. Pretty much standard design. Okay, cool. And of course, okay. Man, it's been sitting on the Costco shelf for so long. Oh man. Okay. Well, in that case, we can go ahead and see how this thing charges my batteries. All right. Power bank acquired. I want to go ahead and use this, I guess, to power on the GoPro. And in the meantime, let me get a battery in there just to make sure that the voltages are stable. What's this one over here? Wait, what is this for? What the hell is this? I'm utterly confused as to what that is. But yeah, anyway, what the hell is this? That is so weird. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on now. There we go, turns on, pretty standard. I didn't put the micro SD card again. Okay, cool, it says GoPro. Alright, I completely forgot about the SD card, so let's go ahead and deal with this monstrosity of packaging and get this opened. This is a fun unboxing so far. Kids, don't try this at home. And like I said earlier, this micro SD card is going to head into my GoPro Hero 5. After filming this video, that is not the SD card slot. Let's see, come on. Which way does it go? Where are the pins? Yep, micro SD card's in. Now I'm gonna check the battery in. Simply after the fact. And cool, presto, we're here. Okay, so English, yes, I'm in English. Yes, I did read it, maybe. GPS, yes, okay, cool. Currently I'm using it right now, so, this is quite the predicament. Let me go ahead and back out of this if I can. Can I back out of this? Yeah, I can back out of this. Okay, cool. We're going to add another camera. And let's see if we can even find said camera. Now I can't even see what my footage looks like, so that's going to be fun. Anyway, yep, found GoPro Hero 10 Black. Let's go ahead and keep going with the pairing process here. Battery doesn't want to charge. Okay, well, let's see. Did I put the battery in right? I did not! That explains a lot. Okay, well, there you go, now the battery's charging. You know, so far the interface looks completely different. I mean, what did I expect? It's basically a 5 generation gap between, you know, the GoPro Hero 5 to the GoPro Hero 10. So that makes complete sense as to why. Like, you know, the interface is so different and, you know, why it sounds different, why it's built different, etc., you know. Okay, a little ADHD moment over. Okay, let's see, 10 Black. Very original naming for me, but I only have one of these, so we're gonna go ahead and this thing update here. Let's be charged at 20%. I gotta wait for this sucker to basically charge up to 20%. It's at 6% right now. Lovely. But yeah, in the meantime, while we wait for that firmware upgrade, I guess we can go ahead and, you know, check all these out. Okay, so basic. Let's see, basic got standard. Standard, what I want to do for standard is 4K at 60, maybe even for 120 frames. Maybe we could definitely do that. Okay, let's see. So this is 4K at 60, which is what I want. There we go. We're going to go ahead and go with linear, not narrow, linear. We're going to go linear with horizon leveling. That's probably what I'm doing. A bunch of stuff I unfortunately don't understand, but I should probably get into. Shortcuts, really? 1%. It literally was at 6% earlier. Okay, we'll let that battery go. We'll let it do its thing here. Okay, I like the stabilization so far. Obviously it's reacting differently from my point of view. But let's see, linear horizon leveling, there we go. So yeah, the difference with the 10 and 11, I believe, with the GoPro Hero 11, you can actually just go in any direction, it'll still be leveled, but this one you have to stay within 45 degrees. This one is now going. Okay, cool. So this is basically me recording footage off of the GoPro Hero 5 and the Hero 10. So far, the footage seems really stable, and that's something I really like about the GoPros to begin with. But even then, that should be a standard feature pretty much on pretty much any modern cell phone. Really aggressively shaking the camera right now, and it's still being horizon locked, which is awesome. But I'm assuming that's how it's supposed to work. But yeah, I mean, honestly, just based off what I'm looking at for from at least the camera display, it looks pretty solid. Then again, the camera display is actually pretty nice for an LCD, so we're gonna go ahead and just leave it at that. Audio quality is eh. Wait. No. Okay. Cool. Okay. You know what? That's gonna be perfect for my vlog footage, so now I can actually you know, mess up with like how I handle the camera and still be fine with the footage. So that's great. Yeah, honestly, just based off my short little review of the GoPro Hero 10, I think I'll be fine. Most likely I probably won't notice the difference between the GoPro Hero 10 and the 11. So if anything, I'm fine with saving $50. If anything, I can just throw that into high yield savings in the meantime before I, you know, do more finance stuff with it. But yeah, honestly, I'm pretty happy with my purchase here. Besides the fact that this happened. Okay, there and there. Okay, and then let's see if I did it right the first time here. That is completely wrong. There we go. And now I got super glue in my hands, which should be fine. It should be. It's fine. But yeah, just based off my very limited knowledge on cameras and very limited experience on the GoPro Hero 10, pretty satisfied with my purchase. Just wanted to make the video just because, you know, it's been a while. Yeah, hi. Yeah, remember when I ended the video for the GoPro? Yeah, quick detour. Decided to splurge on the media mod, so let's see how that goes. Cool. And we open it up like this. There's a little tab here. Yank it out. And there's the little, you know, media mod. And it seems like you also get another one of these GoPro clips, which is, you know, nice. So there we go. We've got the media mod. And you get the little microphone attachment thing. And the real reason why I got this was the additional, you know, ports that unfortunately don't get included with the GoPro, but yeah, it is what it is. Alright, so I'm assuming you disassembled this like the GoPro Hero 10? This is... Dang, that's a real tight fit there, okay. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and I guess put in the little attachment thingamabobber as well here. Door comes out pretty easily, and then we just put this in like so. Attach it, and there we go. This doesn't look proportionally weird at all, and if I really wanted to, I could add this on top. This looks absolutely insane, and unfortunately, I can fit this here. Wow. I might just put the microphone there in that case, but we're not doing that. But yeah, this is the media mod here. Basically, it looks more like a GoPro on steroids, which I mean, yeah. Let's see. Yep, there you go. Media mod connected. Mic is set to front. Alright, so this is me using the media mod microphone. It is set towards the back. So let's see how this sounds like. I'm hoping it sounds pretty good because this is not cheap. So we shall see, you know, how it sounds like. Alright, so this is a test of the media mod, but this time I'm using a lavalier microphone. I really hope the audio sounds clean here. If not, then I have to invest in microphones, which I'm not doing this year. If anything, I'm probably going to be doing this towards Christmas time or next year. So there's that. So let's see what happens. Good news then, I guess I get some better, you know, audio quality, but I'm not really feeling high hopes for this video, at least since I'm not using it right now. If I do do actual vlogs with this, I definitely need to invest into some like, you know, wireless lavalier microphones and then use this cold shoe mount right here for that. Yeah, honestly, for 80 bucks, is it expensive? Yes, but for the convenience and offers, I'd rather buy it. And looking at like other websites like Honey and Camel, this thing rarely goes on sale. I think the lowest price it has ever seen was like, what, $76. If you can buy it used, I mean, you know, go for it, but I'd rather just buy it new, call it a day, so there's that for me. But yeah, besides that, that's gonna be the official end of this video. So this is basically gonna be my new vlog setup and basically YouTube media creation setup going forward. Besides that, thank you guys so much for watching. Here's the you know, obligatory cringe, like this video, subscribe, you know, comment on this video, you know, for the algorithm. But yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.